welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. If you are a beef noodle lover, you may want to try my braised beef noodle with Thai sweet basil. Once I had beef noodle left, I decided to add it in a stir fry. I like to stir fry with sweet basil. It turned out really good. Today I would like to share it with you. If you want to try, let's get into it. Okay, first step, we're gonna mix stir-fry sauce. Start by adding 1½ tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of black soy sauce. For color, add it as you need. A pinch of salt, and add about a tablespoon of sugar. However, you can adjust for your taste and then mix it well. Then set it aside. Heat your bowl on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, then add about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. If you like ginger, you can add it as well. Once the garlic is golden brown, add a part of cooked noodle in. I use fresh lo mein noodle. You just cook in boiled water for 3 to 4 minutes, then you're good to go. Then use tongue to separate them. Once the noodles are separated, add a 1/4 cup of red pepper, a cup of bean sprout, and then put the stir-fry sauce in. Then mix it up. Making noodle stir-fry is a simple dish but delicious. You can choose your choice of noodles and vegetables as you like. Okay, this is my braised beef that I had left over from my cooking beef noodle soup. You can check it on my Thai beef noodle soup video. Also, there are many recipes on my channel as well. Finally, add sweet basil in and mix it well. I wish the smell could come through to your phone so you could know how good the smell is. Once you mix well, turn off the heat, then place onto a plate, ready to go. Wow, yum! However, if you like spicy, you can also add chili flakes or chili oil on top as well. To make the beef, I put the link in description box below, and you also learn how to cook Thai beef noodle as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!